Okay, I want to show you these mesh PVC zipper bags. They are so fun, so functional, so many uses for them. I have bought them twice now. This is a 36 pack of the 9x13s, and they work so well for so many different things. We are storing Legos, for storing puzzle pieces, for storing the kids stuff, and then as of recently they have been getting super popular for back to school bags, for either school supplies or for changes of clothes that go in the backpacks. So I have been embroidering them. And look how nice. They embroider so well. The names look so cute on there. It doesn't puncture any holes. The quality is fantastic. They are so super sturdy. They fit perfectly in the backpacks. I also use them in my office for paper storage, for files and documents. Not only are they super cute, they come in a whole bunch of different colors. Like I said, this is a 36 pack and it comes with a bunch of different colors. They do have different sizes that you can get, but I love the 13x9. You can find them right here on Amazon. This is the second time I've ordered them and highly recommend.